welcome back to Real Life Clean Living. It's been a long time, but I'm ready again to start making videos again for you. And today we're actually going to make a micronutrient smoothie using kale, apples, all this other stuff that we'll get into in just a minute. But it's going to be an amazing micronutrient smoothie that has tons, and I mean tons, of micronutrients and minerals that your body's just going to eat up and love, and you're going to be feeling so healthy afterward. I'm actually joined here by my wife today. She's helping me with the setup and the camera work and stuff. And she actually just started her own YouTube channel, and it's called Home Sweet Abundance, and she's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, my channel actually teaches about food sustainability and how to grow these wonderful greens. And I'm a permaculture designer and mother of 3, and I just give handy little tips and tricks about the different things you can grow around your household to help you save some money, and also for fun to do with the children. So it's a really fun channel. Come on over and check us out.
All right, so next we're going to jump into the smoothie recipe, and I will see you in just a second. So the first thing that you want to get is 8 leaves of kale. Add that to your blender. Then you'll add 3 cups of flax milk. Go ahead and blend this part just to make some room for the next items, which is 3 tablespoons of flax seeds, 3 cups of baby spinach, I put 4 huge big pieces of rainbow chard, but if they're smaller you can put 6. Go ahead and blend that down a little bit, get some more room in there. You want to do a whole apple, leave the skin on there, a whole 2 carrots, 1 tomato, look how ripe that is, oh yeah. 1 cup of blueberries, 1 whole avocado, and finally 1 whole banana. There you have it. Blend that bad boy up and get ready to enjoy. All right, here it is. Big old fiber-filled green smoothie. Smells super green. We're kind of a little
Terrified.
worried, but we'll give it a shot. And here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's actually a lot more mellow than I thought it would be.
Yeah, way more mellow. This is not a one you can connoisseur though. This is drink it fast. It's bland, but you can get it down.
If you can suck this down real quick, you'll have a ton of nutrients and a ton of fiber to get you through the morning. With this much micronutrients, I could down this, no problem.
The enjoying part is later in your body.
Yes, you'll have so much freaking energy, it's ridiculous.
And your skin will glow for sure.
Yeah, I actually was a little bit terrified of this because it smells kind of like what plant rocket fuel. It's so green. It actually is pretty mellow and pretty good.
I actually think my kids would probably eat this.
Probably.
They wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
But I think maybe 1 more banana would make it.
Yeah, if you want to make it a little bit sweeter, maybe add another banana.
Yeah.
A really ripe banana. We're going to go ahead and enjoy this, and we will see you again next time. While you're waiting for the next video, go check out Shannon's channel, Home Sweet Abundance.
Yes.
And until then,
take care.
Stay real and stay clean.